This is the first step to a new part of my life. A small step for mankind, but a giant leap for my mind. I've got so many questions, so many things to solve, looking for the answers all along the walk. On the highest of a mountain, in the middle of the plains, somewhere in between the valleys, under the sun or in the rain. I try to find myself, I try to find who I am. Buen camino, peregrino, hope to see you on my way. Oh, we got 500 miles to go on the road to Santiago. This is the first time that I'm really feeling free, delivered from all the burdens granted by society, crossing that many people who are thinking just like me, makes me feel like I'm a part of a great big family. I came to find some peace, and what I found is love. Buen camino, peregrino, nice to meet you on my way. Oh, we got 500 miles to go on our road to Santiago. Whatever you came for, whatever is the goal, lighten your backpack and take it step by step. And I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk, and I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk, and I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk, and I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk and I walk, and we walk and we walk and we walk and we walk peregrino. Nice to meet you on my way. Oh, we got 500 miles to go, and we walk on our road to Santiago. This is the first step to a new part of my life. A small step for mankind, but a giant step for my mind.